The Free Download by J.O. The free download cover image. Jake sat in front of his computer, a cup of cold coffee at his side, eyes fixed on the glowing screen. A free download had appeared online, promising unlimited knowledge. Intrigued, he was about to embark on an unexpected adventure. A man sitting at a desk with a keyboard and a monitor on it, with a lot of monitors behind him, computer art, computer graphics, Cedric Siaut, Kios Masons, Techware. Jake clicked on the download button, and his computer started humming. As the download bar filled up, he felt a mix of excitement and anxiety. What secrets could this download hold? A man sitting at a desk with a computer and a keyboard in front of him, with a lamp on, Les Automatistes, a stock photo, Cedric Siaut, Kios Masons. Ray tracing. The download completed, and an icon appeared on Jake's desktop, a simple blue sphere. Curiosity piqued. He double-clicked it. The screen flickered. Then a window popped up, filled with lines of code. A man wearing glasses is typing on a computer keyboard, and monitor screen in front of him is a wall of computer screens. Les Automatistes, a stock photo, Cedric Siaut, Kios Masons, Techware. Jake began to study the code. It was complex, beyond anything he'd ever seen. Yet, it was elegant, almost poetic. Hours turned into days as he attempted to decipher the enigmatic lines. A man with glasses and a black shirt with a pattern on it, and a black background with numbers on it. Net art, a computer rendering, Conroy Maddox, promotional image. As Jake delved deeper, he started noticing patterns in the code. It felt as if he was uncovering an ancient language, lost to time but now in the realm of the digital. His heart raced with every new discovery. A young man wearing glasses in a room with a maze pattern on its wall and a black background, generative art, a computer rendering, Philip Hodas, ray tracing. Jake had started to dream in code, the lines dancing before his closed eyes. The more he understood, the more he realized that this was not just a program. It was a grand cosmic blueprint, a map of knowledge beyond human comprehension. A man wearing glasses and a black shirt with a blue light in the middle of it, and a circular pattern in the middle. Neo-figurative cyberpunk art, Android Jones, detailed product photo days turned into weeks. Jake hardly ate or slept. His apartment was a mess, but he didn't care. He was on the brink of something monumental, something that could change the course of history. A man sitting at a desk with a laptop computer and a monitor on it, with a lamp on the side of the desk. Computer art, a stock photo, Cedric Siaut, Kios Masons. Affinity photo. Finally, after countless hours, Jake managed to unlock the first layer of the program. His screen filled with symbols, diagrams, and mathematical equations. He was looking at the entire universe, explained in lines of code. A man with glasses and a black shirt with a black background, with a diagram of a star system in the background. Serial art, a character portrait, Cedric Siaut, Kios Masons. Rossdraw's global illumination. Jake was astounded. The download wasn't just offering unlimited knowledge, it was offering the universe's secrets. As he delved deeper, he discovered more. The laws of physics, the secrets of life, the mysteries of time and space. A man wearing glasses sitting in front of a computer screen with multiple monitors behind him and a lamp on the side. Computer art. A stock photo. Adam Paquette. Kai Carpenter. Jake realized that he was just a small part of something much bigger. Overwhelmed by the enormity of his discovery, he felt insignificant, yet full of purpose. He knew he had to share this knowledge with the world. A man with glasses and a black shirt is looking at the stars in the sky above him, and a tree, light and space. A hologram, Cosmo Alexander. Astrophotography. Jake began to compile the knowledge into digestible information. He worked tirelessly to create a user-friendly interface so anyone could access this universal knowledge. His work was far from done, but he was determined. A man sitting at a desk writing on a notepad with a lamp on the wall behind him and a computer on the desk. Academic art. A stock photo. Cedric Sayout, Chaos Masons. Detailed product photo. Jake released the program online, free for everyone. News of his discovery spread quickly. Scientists, students, and curious minds from all over the world flocked to the website. The world was in awe. A young man wearing glasses and a tie with wires in his hair and a computer room full of monitors. Computer art. A computer rendering. Echo Chernik, promotional image. Despite the fame and recognition, Jake remained humble. He knew that he was merely a conduit for this knowledge. He continued to work, updating the program, making it more accessible. A man sitting at a desk with a computer and a keyboard in front of him, with multiple monitors behind him,